Hello everybody, this is NASCAR 33 here, and this is the first race of the Indianapolis Nationals for Nathan Stapleton's Indianapolis Nationals. So this is a truck race version, and by the way, I'm going to use my recording system from now on. So that's one of I'm just showing you that I'm using my recording system instead of holding my phone. So and I actually do have a different. I did get a new camera for Christmas, but I'm currently not using it as it's not set up yet, and we'll probably never get around to doing that. So anyway, we're gonna go and get on to the starting lineup. On the pole is Roger Ray, and this race is 24 laps and has 27 drivers. We were originally gonna go for 24, but there were more signups than needed, and that's going to probably be the case for other the other series, like probably definitely the 2003 cup mod, where there's just one more than needed, but you know what they say, the more the merrier, am I right? So we got Roger Ray, the pole sitter. Alongside him is Jonathan Hoff. And then you got Sienna Morel, Alexander Rowe, Barry McDowell, Derek Hamill. Then you got Shepard Richmond, Max Anderson, Alex Joaquin, Luke Ryan, Nathan Stapleton. Then you got Jesse Turner, yours truly, Tim Jonas, Cassie Wass, Madison Tall, Dude Charles, Tristan Allen. You got Julie Sanderson, Andy Lynch, Griffin Lynn, Josh Steiner. You got Eli Bright, Tom Jonas, Jake Jefferson, Eli Stapleton, and rounding it out is Davey Johnson in the 66. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a great race here. And so we're going to get this race started. And let me fast forward to when they get to the front straightaway here. So this race should be pretty interesting, as it looks like we're going to get down to green flag now, as here they go. Who will win the truck race in Indianapolis National race? We'll have to see for ourselves, as we got some drivers falling back already. I swear I edited their ratings. So, I think this is just a strategy here. We're just playing out some strategy now. Right now, it looks like, Sienna Morel. She's gonna go underneath the 42. And Barry McDowell, he's coming in second. He's looking to get some attention, and he looks like he's getting it right now. And that's Sienna Morel. She'll lead the first lap. Oh, we got a wreck. Nathan Stapleton involved, and luckily I'm not involved in this wreck, so that's points for me. But unfortunately, other cars were involved in this wreck, so it's gonna be a shame that some probably like Nathan Stapleton's day is probably gonna end because he has hood damage, or maybe he might continue, but he'll be just a lap down. So I think his chances of winning are pretty much done at this point, as he has front end damage. As looks like that's about it for right now here. As we're gonna fast forward to when the lights are off the pace truck. And yes, the pace truck is being driven by John Cena. Anyway, looks like we skipped a restart, but CMRL still leading in pretty much everyone. It's single file still. It's kind of all that matters. So Nathan Stapleton, look at that. Look at this. I mean, look. That's just sad. Your entire the front of your car is completely removed. It's just embarrassing. And it looks like Barry McDowell, he's going to lead this lap at this point. And there's the 13. But I think Shepard Richmond led that lap. I think he did. And Alex Joaquin is right there in second. Also got Jonathan Hoff driving a Chevrolet. Yeah. And it looks like Alex Joaquin's going to go underneath the 13. Looks like it got blocked by 28. Looks like the 15 is still doing a pretty good job. Meanwhile, the Stapleton's continuing not to do so well. As low contact. Be careful, guys. They're both called Alex, technically speaking. As here comes Cassie Wass. She's going for third now. Tristen Allen helping her a bit. Then you got Alexander Rowe. He's right behind Jonathan Hoff. I don't know if Jonathan Hoff won other truck races before, but he's leading one, and so it looks like there's Annie Lynch as she's passing some trucks. Oh boy, don't get wrecked. As Alexander Rowe, no sponsor on that truck yet. Actually, no sponsor at all. Oh, I got spun. There I go. But I don't really have much damage, so I should be able to continue without making pit road. It looks like Barry spun me. Whatever. And looks like I just got spun, and that's really all that's it, really. And really, I'm just far behind. That's just what it is now. And it looks like Alexander Rowe will lead him back to the caution flag. And pit stops are being made here. This sounds extremely fun. Looks like we got some pit. It looks like will I be staying out, though? No, I'm not gonna be staying out. Oh, there I am. We're just repairing damage. And I'm out. And it looks like I'm gonna be the 10 truck, so that's something. So, Jonathan Hoff did not pit, so he will be the leader again. Anyway, looks like we fast forward right to the restart. Looks like so the back end of my truck kind of doesn't look too well. It looks like the 66 is falling back tremendously. Looks like the 10 truck, Luke Ryan, he's going underneath the 16. That could possibly give him the lead. But the outside, but Jonathan Hoff is not giving up on the outside lane. Man, this is tight competition. Luke Ryan's going down pit road along with along with a lot of other drivers. I'm not so these are the only, I think, 7 drivers are coming down pit road, and that's it. And right now, Tristen Allen is the leader of the truck race. And I cannot believe how short this race is actually going to be. And how about Annie Lynch in 3rd in that unsponsored truck? I'd be quite surprised if an underdog team is able to win the Indianapolis Nationals. As here comes the 91. And the 71, Derek Hamill, he is going to trying to go underneath this 91, but Tristen Allen seems to be leading. I think he's kind of confident driving the Mikowski Toyota. No, it's driven by Kyle Busch, but no matter. And I think there's a caution, maybe, I'm not sure. But some of these trucks are going extremely slow, and there is a caution, apparently. Drivers are going extremely slow, for whatever reason. I'm not sure what it was for. Was the caution even out at? It was! Okay, there we go. Oh, it was here. So far, it looks like I was involved. Looks like the 18 truck just got spun by 13, and then TeeJay had nowhere to go, and then one else there, and question is, where am I now? I'm actually higher than I was last time. There I am. So anyway, so Tristen Allen is still leader of the truck race, and Tim Jonas will be our first DNF and probably our only DNF, if I'm not mistaken. Now looks like oh, you missed the restart there, but we're just missed until the back straightaway now. Looks like we got unsponsored cars working together. Actually, the 91 is technically sponsored. As you can see, it's hearts. It's just on the back, but that's just really the only sponsor the 91 has. As here comes Annie Lynch with the help of the 15. We got some drafting work being helped out there. And right now I'm in the top 10, and I'm not doing that bad. Here I go. Here comes, as Annie Lynch still is the leader. And Tristen Allen is falling back. He's on the outside lane, and in the outside lane, there is a huge chance of epic fails, as it looks like Annie Lynch will block the 15. Not quite, actually, as the 15 will still be the leader. As now I'm going to pass the 37 truck. And Cassie Waz is kind of helping me out here. And it looks like Tristen Allen is still not giving up. As here we go, 2 laps to go. Actually, no, it's 3 laps to go. So it looks like looks like I'm gonna fall back a bit. As whoa boy. So I'm doing pretty good in the top 10 right now. As here comes Tristen Allen. Tristen Allen does have a fast truck. He doesn't have the fastest lap. But he's one of the top 10 fastest trucks, so that is pretty awesome indeed. And the 15 coming right behind him with coming down to 2 laps to go. Who's gonna be the winner of the truck series? So anyway, so I should be clear the 8 of Barry McDowell, and he's not doing bad for his first start, really. Tristen Allen is pulling away. That is good news. News for him. So Tristen Allen is being a dominant car. As there's Annie Lynch, she's right now trying to get back in the top 5. And Cassie Wass, she's in 3rd now. Meanwhile, I'm trying to draft with the 13, get back in the top 10 or top 5 actually. And it looks like Tristen Allen will take the white flag. Here comes the 91. Oh, they kind of make bumper contact there. And there, as the 91 will retake the lead again. As here comes the 40, as there's the 46 in 2nd. We got Nathan Stapleton, a truck that's going to be put another lap down. Well, I wonder what, and he'll be, oh, there they go. As it looks like some drivers got around him. I think the 91 has this in the bag, but the 46 is not giving up. Here comes the 46, Annie Lynch, coming down the corner. They're coming down side by side. But I think the 51's helping the 91. Alexander Rowe will win the Indianapolis truck race. Alexander Rowe gets a good start to his Indianapolis Nationals as he wins the truck race. Now, next race will be the nationwide race, which will be very interesting. So here are the racing, so you can read where you finished and whatnot. Everything there. So Tristen Allen got 3rd, and I got top 10 again. Good job. Barry got 10th, not bad for his first race, and then then you got everyone else here, and it looks like Tim Jonas will be the driver that will be the only DNF of the race. So definitely unfortunate for him, and Nathan Stapleton did not really play a big role as I expected him to. I expected him to maybe hold up the 91. I'm not sure what would have happened if he did, but he's probably just not trying to mess up anything. And I don't blame him. So anyway, the next race will be the second race in the Indianapolis Nationals, which is the Xfinity race, the nationwide race, whatever you want to call it. As I'm using the 2013 on it, back then it was called the Nationwide Series, so I'll see you guys there.